there's a humble garden plant that might just surprise you. It's fully edible, loaded with vitamin C, grows almost anywhere, and even protects your garden from pests. This is the Nasturtium, one of the most versatile plants you can grow. And every part can be eaten. The flowers, leaves, seeds, stems, and even the roots, making it not only a nutritional powerhouse, but also a budget-friendly way to put more on your plate while spending less at the store. The leaves and flowers taste a little peppery, kind of like radish with a wasabi kick. But the seeds, well, that's another story. Check out this clip of me trying a nasturtium seed. Yep, it even brought tears to my eyes. They are intense. But fun fact, nasturtium seeds were once pickled and used as a caper substitute. Nasturtiums are a true garden superfood. Their flowers contain around 130 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, similar to parsley and far more than most leafy greens. They're also one of the richest natural sources of lutein, up to 45 milligrams per 100 grams, supporting healthy eyes, filtering blue light, and keeping skin vibrant. Beyond vitamins, nasturtiums contain glucosinolates, which break down into natural antimicrobials, shown to fight bacteria, fungi, and even some viruses. Their use as medicine isn't just folklore. They've long been valued for supporting immunity and easing coughs, colds, and urinary infections. And in parts of Europe, nasturtium is still prescribed with horseradish root as a licensed herbal antibiotic, proof of its enduring value. And to top it off, nasturtium leaves were crushed and then used as a poultice for minor cuts and bruises, thanks to their natural antimicrobial properties. What an incredible plant! Nasturtiums are one of the easiest plants you'll ever grow, often called a lazy gardener's dream. They thrive in poor soil, need little water, and do well in sun or part shade. Their big seeds are simple to handle and usually sprout in about a week, making them perfect for children or beginner gardeners. Once established, they reseed themselves readily, returning year after year. You can even root them from cuttings in water or soil, though seed is by far the simplest way. And while they grow, they work for you. Nasturtiums attract pollinators, draw in ladybugs, and act as a trap crop for aphids, protecting your veggies while filling your garden with vibrant colour. Every part of the nasturtium is edible. The leaves, flowers, stems, seeds, even the roots, each bringing a peppery, mustard-like flavour. Today I'm making a nasturtium leaf and flower salad. Just add spinach, avocado, tomato, cucumber, a handful of nasturtium leaves and those bright edible flowers, a drizzle of lemon, olive oil, sea salt, and a sprinkle of feta. This bowl comes in at about 385 calories, with 14 grams of protein, 22 grams of carbs, including 11 grams of fibre, and 31 grams of mostly healthy fats. It's rich in antioxidants and fibre, supports heart health, skin, digestion, and immunity, yet still feels light and satisfying. To sip alongside, try an orange and nasturtium vitamin C tonic. Add sparkling mineral water, squeeze in half an orange, and finish with nasturtium flowers. This drink comes in at only 30 calories. It's refreshing, high in vitamin C, and beautifully budget-friendly. Nasturtiums really are the plant that keeps on giving. They brighten your garden, protect your vegetables, and can end up in your meals or drinks, nourishing you in ways most people never expect. They're easy to grow, gentle on the budget, and a reminder that health doesn't need to be complicated. Sometimes it's as close as the flowers at your feet. If you found this helpful, I'd love for you to join me here on your garden path. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural health tips, simple remedies, and gardening inspiration. And together we'll make life a little healthier, simpler, and more beautiful, one plant at a time.